Tignan nyo naman guys, yung mga pusa ko, yung mga wala ambag, wala trabaho lagi.
Hi mga kapitbahay! Ayan, kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? Sana po ay lagi tayong okay. Ayan, nandito po tayong muli sa aking YouTube channel at welcome kayong lahat dito. Ayan, kung bago pa lamang po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong updated sa aking mga bagong upload na videos. Okay, so sa ating another reaction video ay syempre para po sa ating pinakamamahal na si Basel Manadil or kilala natin bilang si The Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Ayan. Kung matatandaan niyo po, ang una kong reaction video sa kanya ay yung pag-reveal niya doon sa live story niya. At yun naman po talaga unang-una kong napanood sa kanyang video at talaga naman iniyakan ko yun ng todo dahil sobrang na-touch ako at na-amazed at syempre nang dahil na rin po sa nangyari sa kanyang buhay nung nasa Syria pa sila, talagang bumuhos ang luha ko doon sa kanyang video na yon. Ayan, so ang atin po ngayong reaction video tungkol sa kanya ay yung pagtulong niya sa mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na ngayon sa panahon ng COVID, na tinulungan niya ang ilan sa mga construction worker, binigyan niya ng trabaho. Ayan, di ba, napakabusilak ng kanyang puso para sa mga Pilipino. Ganon po kabait at kabusilak ang puso ng ating pinakamamahal na si Sir Basel Manadil or kilala bilang The Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the video and syempre mamangha tayo muli sa kabutihang loob ng ating iniidolo. Okay, let's go. So ang title ng video ito ay Hiring Jobless and Stranded Construction Worker During Lockdown. O, diba? Wow, it's one day ago. Okay, so panoorin natin in 1, 2, 3. Let's play the video.
Good morning mga tao.
Good morning.
And if you
people.
see my baboy in here, somebody sent me this. And I just figured out something that you can move the ears. Look at me.
Oh,
Oh la la, I'm not even touching it. Magic. I just
he
do
have
this.
the funny side actually.
Oh. So guys, if you want to
We
see
have
the
the funny
full vlog
side.
of my balikbayan unboxing, go to my second channel and check it out. Hungry Syrian Vlogs. There are stranded construction workers nearby my shop. And they are just standby, I guess, because they don't have work. Dahil may carbonara. So these are the best people to help. I just noticed them recently that they are always standby and they are not doing anything.
See,
But I didn't talk to them yet.
Mr.
I
Basel.
didn't interview them. And I didn't ask them anything. All I know is that they are stranded construction workers. They don't have work. They don't have money siguro to buy food or whatever.
Diba?
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go
Lagi
there
na
and we're
iniisip
gonna
ng ibang
help
tao,
them
yung mga nangangailangan.
find work.
Wow,
Before, guys, there was
napakabait
a
na
stranded
tao.
construction worker here. So I'm trying to find him. And if I find him, I'm going to hire him
Oh,
to do work para he can earn. So there are
wait lang. Talaga naman, wow, nakakamangha. Kaya naman, napakarami nagmamahal dito sa taong ito dahil napakabusilak ng kanyang puso. Tignan mo, hinahanap niya talaga yung mga taong na stranded na construction worker para bigyan ng trabaho. Wow, sana makapagtrabaho din ako sa iyo, Mr. Basel. Okay, panoorin natin muli.
people here, like stranded construction workers. They're trying to build this for a long time, but they are stuck in here. I'm gonna go down and try to talk to them. So as you see guys, they
Diba,
built
sa
like
kabila
their
ng mga
temporary house in here. They're like
virus na
stranded
kumakalat ngayon, hindi siya
construction
natatakot.
worker.
Makatulong lamang sa
And for
tao.
sure they don't have money, so they don't have money to go back home. I already have someone working in my shop. I already have people working in my shop, but if wala siya trabaho at wala siya pera, I am going to hire him. Let's go. So
talaga
this is
siya
the building
magtagalog.
that they are building here. They are making this building. Until now, it's not yet finished. Boss,
Napakabait na tao. Hindi natatakot sa maaaring makuha niyang COVID sa labas.
kamusta?
Wow.
Okay lang?
Tinagalog niya
Ayos.
talaga.
Construction worker ka ba? Construction worker. Wala na trabaho na yun?
Wala po eh. Wala pa, hindi pa kasi nagpa-schedule dun sa kawit eh.
Dahil sa virus. So ano gagawin na yun?
Talaga siya mag-Tagalog, ano? Nakakamangha.
May ano, family ka? Ito yung asawa mo. Tapos ilan anak meron kayo?
Dalawa.
Dalawang anak. Ano pangalan?
Bakit tapos Mikaela yung isa?
Maki?
Maki.
May pusa ako. Yung pangalan Maki.
Natawa ako actually kasi naalala ko may pusa talaga si Sir Basel na Maki ang pangalan. Kaya natawa din siya kasi. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oo. Ilang taon ka na?
20.
20?
Galing nila talaga mag-Tagalog. 24 oras.
Oo. Mabait ka? Sigurado ya? Wala ka trabaho na yun? Wala na.
Walang pasok kasi bawal pa pumasok eh.
So pag wala trabaho, wala pera.
Oo.
Tama? Tambay lang? Sige, I'm going to hire you. Para may trabaho kayo. Gusto mo trabaho? Sige.
Wow.
Gusto mo trabaho? Para may pera.
Wow.
Gusto ko tulungan kayo. Papunta tayo sa shop ko. Ito yung shop ko. Alam mo? YOLO.
YOLO.
May tao dyan kasi
YOLO. Naku, hanapin ko yan pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas. Hanapin ko yung YOLO na yan. Naku, mamit ko man lang si Sir Basel. Naku, napakasaya ng puso ko noon. Naku, parang kompleto na. Yes. Okay.
gusto ko tulungan kayo lang. Pero I have already people who are working. So the only reason why I came here para tulungan kaya alam ko wala kayo trabaho siguro ganon.
Napakabait ka.
Kaya pintura lang, madali yung trabaho. Ready na kayo? Start na yon. Sige, punta tayo doon. Sa second floor, hantay ako kayo doon. Sige?
Wow, diba?
so happy.
Wow, napakasaya.
They're trying to hide their happiness, but I can see it in their face. They're really happy
Wow.
kasi they don't have work and they are both construction workers. They're stranded here. They have project, I don't know, in Cavite or Pasig,
Diba,
and
hindi
they
sila
couldn't
nakatakot
go.
sa mga
They couldn't work
kumakalat na
dahil sa
virus.
carbonara. So what I told them, I'll hire you both. I already have people who are working in the shop, but I will only hire you both because you don't have work. So I'll hire them both and they will start working as of now. So that's when I'm gonna start paying them. Tignan natin pag maganda yung trabaho. So tanggalin first yung dumi. So tanggalin natin ito. Tapos pintura. Ilan Ilan? Dalawang coat or tatlo? Or ano? Dalawang
Diba?
coat. Kaya?
Instant nagtatrabaho sila po yung dahil ko sa
Ay.
Basel. Wow.
Ano yung trabaho mo dati?
Napakabait na tao talaga.
So, I just hired him para he has trabaho. Para may trabaho siya. Kasi yung iba tao dito, lahat yung tao wala trabaho dahil sa carbonara. That's the only reason why I hired him. But I already have people working inside my shop.
Carbonara ang tawag niya sa alam niyo na nakakatuwa si Sir. Okay.
So, these people, they will have now something to do. And they will have money to buy food or money to buy things for their families. This is something good that we do. This is the good things that you have to do, especially during these times, these difficult times. People, they're suffering and they're having hard time. How long wala ka trabaho? Ilan araw wala ka trabaho?
3 buwan po.
Tatlong buwan wala trabaho. Dahil sa carbonara?
COVID-19.
Paano kakain? Ganon.
Minsan po bumabalik kami sa engineer.
Minsan sa engineer?
Dalawa kami. Kumuha na natin sa
Oo, nakuha siya yung Mahilig siya sa cellphone. Lagi siya titig sa cellphone. Hindi sa akin. This is the other construction worker. Oh, bago outfit. Nice. Kulay pink outfit. Also, kuya, tanggalin lahat yung stickers dito. So we're cleaning everything para we can open soon. May load pang Mobile Legend. Oh la la, nice. Galing. You see how long the stick is? That's the stick I bought. Para pag hindi ka matangkad, wala na problema. Kaya, you see, it trips in the ceiling. Joe is the boss here. Look at Joe. He's the boss. He's against the light, Joe. You look itim. Ngayon itim ka kasi against the light.
Kasama niya sa bahay siguro.
Tayong Kojik.
Isa sa mga
Scientific, ha? May anak ka, di ba?
Pagtrabaho dito kay Sir.
Bigay ko, sa'yo milk, gatas. Pang
Wow! Sana all. Sana ako din meron.
3 buwan wala trabaho. Pero na yon, meron. Oh, see, na yun. Para hindi boring. Kasi pag wala ginawa, boring.
Diba?
Tapos wala lang pera.
Kung tutuusin, hindi naman niya na talaga kailangan ng ibang trabahador dahil meron na siyang ibang empleyado. Pero dahil sa gusto niya talagang tumulong, wow, hinanap niya talaga ito at binigyan ng trabaho kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan. Gusto na lang niya talagang makatulong sa ibang tao. Di ba? Napakabait na tao. Sana lumawak pa yung buhay at tumanda ka sa Pilipinas. Sana diyan ka na talaga sa Pilipinas, Sir Basel, at nang makatulong ka pa ng marami sa ating ibang mga kabayang Pilipino. Ayan. Okay, sige. Patuloy tayo.
Ganon, may pera. So we already started the paint in here, kulay black. Then the background, this background is black. Then we're gonna have all the drawings. We're gonna do like art on top of this black one.
Pag-visual talaga yung sa Basel.
Then imagine how it will look like with all the art in here. It's gonna look amazing, guys, trust me. Then I came back here in my shop, so they might take a few days to finish. You see, they're working here. So siguro it will take maybe 2 days to finish this. We're not sure. Let's see how long they'll finish it.
Pero confused ako kung magkano talaga ang binigay niya. Siyempre hindi niya i-reveal. Pero dahil sa gusto niyang tumulong talaga, kung 2 days lang talaga bago matapos yung trabaho, I'm sure malaki talaga ibibigay niya. Dahil alam naman natin kung gaano kabait si Sir Basel Manadil, di ba? Okay.
But they are already doing the first coating. They are painting the stairs. See, it's gonna be all black, then graphic. It's gonna look good. So we don't know how long they'll be finishing this. But at least they have work now. They are working, they are earning.
Yun ang mahalaga.
Tignan nyo naman, guys. Yung mga pusa ko, yung mga wala ambag, wala trabaho, lagi-lagi pagkain, tulog, repeat. Tapos ito, Dodo pa. Look at his hand. See? He's baking. See? Tapos Maki boy, the Sunet boy. Then Maui boy, the Taba boy. So I just showered, guys. I just came back home. And I'm so happy. Kasi imagine these guys, they didn't have work. And they didn't have money to buy food. But now, they will have money to buy food. They will have money to eat. And at the same time, hindi boring kasi may trabaho. Pag wala ka trabaho, dahil may pera ka, it's still gonna be boring kasi wala ka trabaho, you're not doing anything. We gotta keep ourselves busy with doing something.
Yes,
of course,
exactly,
this
sir.
carbonara made us all like that. I mean, we can't blame each other for it because we didn't choose these things to happen. But I'm trying my best to help as many people as I can. And even doing these unnecessary renovations, actually they are really unnecessary, but I just did it to help out my staff, to help out, these people that we got to do the paint and all this stuff. So I hope sulit, and I think.
Di ba tama ang sinabi ko? Hindi naman na talaga kailangan. Pero dahil gusto na rin talagang tumulong sa ibang tao, gumawa siya ng ipapagawa para lang makatulong sa iba kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan. Di ba? Napakabait na tao, grabe.
It's suited because we helped a lot of people and we made a lot of people feel happy. These construction workers, guys, they're gonna stay with us for a while, so they're gonna be working now in doing unnecessary stuff in Yolo para may trabaho siya and may pera siya. And I bought them merienda also, so they have merienda and they have music. I put them DJ, so they have music and they're gonna dance, sumayaw, until everything is done. Right, boy? And Joe is also there with them, so wala na problema. Everything is okay lang, fine. I'm also inviting you guys to visit our shop, Yolo Retro Diner, located at Naga Road, Pulang Lupawan, Las Piñas, at least for takeout. We're gonna open by between June 5 to June 7. So we're gonna open for takeout. Para sa ekonomiya kasi bankrupt na, guys. So, that was it, guys. From me, the Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Mabuhay, Philippines!
Mabuhay, sir. Mabuhay ko kayo talaga. Wow. Diba? Ganon kabuti ang puso ng ating pinakamamahal na si Sir Basel Manadil or the Hungry Syrian Wanderer. Woo! Promise talaga, sir. Pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, hahanapin ko talaga niyang YOLO na yan, yung shop mo na yan, para makapunta naman ako dyan at makilala naman kita ng personal. At sana, sir, mapanood mo itong mga reaction video ko sa iyo at sana ma-appreciate mo rin po. Ayan, gusto ko itong ginagawa na to dahil sobrang na-amaze ako sa kabutihan ng loob mo, sir. Ayan, thank you. At syempre, sa lahat po ng mga supporters ni Sir Basel Manadil or ni Mr. The Hungry Syrian Wanderer, please, sana supportahan nyo rin po ako. Ayan, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe at hit niyo rin po ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Ayan, thank you so much and keep safe everyone.